Green beans are one of the most underrated vegetables sitting in your kitchen right now. Crunchy, colorful, and packed with nutrients, they deserve a permanent spot on your plate. Let's break down everything you need to know about green beans, from nutrition to side effects. Nutritional profile. Green beans are low in calories but rich in essential nutrients. A single cup provides a solid dose of vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate, along with fiber, iron, manganese, and potassium. This combination makes them a nutrient-dense addition to almost any diet, whether you're trying to lose weight, build muscle, or simply eat healthier overall. Supports heart health. Green beans contain fiber and antioxidants that help lower cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation in blood vessels. Their potassium content also helps regulate blood pressure by easing strain on the cardiovascular system. Regularly including green beans in your meals may lower your long-term risk of heart disease. Aids digestion. Thanks to their high fiber content, green beans promote smooth digestion and regular bowel movements. Fiber also feeds beneficial gut bacteria, supporting a balanced and healthy microbiome. This can reduce bloating, constipation, and other common digestive issues that many people deal with daily. Strengthens bones. Green beans are a good source of vitamin K and calcium, two nutrients essential for maintaining strong bone density. Consistent intake may help reduce the risk of fractures and support long-term skeletal health, especially as you get older. Helps regulate blood sugar. With a low glycemic index and high fiber content, green beans help slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This makes them a smart choice for people managing diabetes or anyone looking to avoid sudden blood sugar spikes and energy crashes. Boosts eye health. Green beans contain antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene, which support healthy vision and may protect against age-related eye problems such as macular degeneration. Supports the immune system. The vitamin C found in green beans helps strengthen the immune system, allowing your body to fight off infections more effectively and heal faster, especially during cold and flu season. Possible side effects. While green beans are generally safe, eating them raw can cause digestive discomfort due to natural compounds called lectins. Always cook them thoroughly before eating. People on blood-thinning medications should also monitor their vitamin K intake, since it can interfere with these drugs. So the next time you're planning a meal, don't skip the green beans. They're affordable, versatile, and loaded with health benefits from your heart to your bones. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us which vegetable you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.